We're on our way home, but we're going to check out some waterfalls on the way.
So we're saying goodbye to our home away from home. It's been nice. I hope we'll be back. So come along with us to a bunch of more waterfalls, and we're looking forward to loving the real world.
We started our day at the Cup and Saucer in Brevard.
The food is made fresh, and I would rate this about a 9 out of a 10.
I had a cinnamon roll and a cappuccino.
And I had the bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit with a glass of water. This first waterfalls is Silver Run Falls. It is 4 miles south of Cashier on Highway 107 South. It sits in the Neda-Hala National Forest. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're on our last day of chasing waterfalls. So we're at Silver
Run
Falls. So come along with us. Okay, the tree fell down and grew. And it's still alive. Only in nature. At one time the dirt was up there and just washed away, or? This is another tree. This has a root growing out the side and into the ground. Fat Man's Grease Bridge.
Wait a second. On an earlier video, you complained because they had railing on only one side. Well, now they have 2 sides for you.
Well, sweetie, you know me. I'm just loving the real world. I would like to go swimming here. They got a nice cool breeze off of that. Oh my goodness. I believe somebody made this. This can't be real. That's pretty. Okay, we hope you can see back behind us there the beautiful Silver Run Falls. What do you think, sweetheart?
It's beautiful. A nice cool breeze, a wonderful little swimming hole.
Oh, it's just amazing here. If you hadn't checked it out before, you need to come check it out. It's a very short hike. Everything's level except for the final rock that you stand on. Here's the rock you walk out onto to go out to view the falls. After we left Silver Run Falls, we headed to Highlands. On the way there, we spotted the furniture barn on the right-hand side, so we decided to stop and look at it.
I love places like this. It brings back so many memories for me. I don't think this bear likes us visiting.
Yeah, I believe this place probably has just about one of almost everything that's been made. I don't know.
Gone with the Wind. I saw this with my 6th grade class at the movies. This sign would be great for our daughter's cat.
So I'm going to let you take some time, look around, see what you might like, and maybe it's a place you might want to just get in the car and go visit. Oh my goodness. That sled looks like fun. Somebody done ran the rubber off the wheels on this thing.
I love the little yellow dogs.
Hey Carol, I think I found out who ran the rubber off the wheels on that little car. Teddy. Well, I don't know about anybody else, but I think it's about lunchtime and we're in Highlands now. So let's see if we can find somewhere to park and get something to eat.
We had lunch at the Ruffed Grouse in Highlands. As you can see, I'm intensely studying the menu. I'm not sure, but it looks like these bunnies are fighting to me.
I think it's just perspective. I believe they're actually family and they're hugging each other.
I had the grilled chicken sandwich.
Yeah, and I had the fried chicken sandwich. It was okay. But men, if you go to the bathroom, be ready for a surprise. You might have to kiss a hog.
And now for the best, dessert.
You see anything you want?
Yes, we got the mother load. I got pecan pralines, sea salt caramel fudge, pecan snapper, and jelly beans for my daughter.
And I got the bear claws and buckeyes.
The next stop after Highlands is Bridalveil Falls, which is on your right.
The water drops 120 feet from the top, and sometimes it displays a rainbow in the afternoon light. Yes, you can still walk behind the waterfalls, and it's really nice. Taking a shower. When the road was in good repair, you used to be able to drive behind the waterfalls. Here's a trip a few years ago of us driving Leonardo, our 2005 Thunderbird, behind the falls. Due to parking restraints at Bridalveil Falls, we really didn't get to go this time, so we just took a previous photos that we had and animated some. Yes, it looks pretty bad, but it gives you an idea that you can actually walk down and go behind the falls at Bridalveil Falls. So if you want to see it, you might want to get there really early in order to get a parking place. It's a very easy walk, so it's worth seeing if you get a chance. Okay, another roadside waterfall. Level 1. We can handle those. So we're just enjoying the sights.
This is Quarry Falls, or also called Bust Your Butt Falls, because apparently people have slid down these rocks and busted their butts.
Now we take a short ride to the other side of Franklin, North Carolina, where we're going to go see Big Laurel Falls. Uh-oh. Nobody's been on the road all this time, and all at once there's Laurel Fall Trail. Yeah. Now here's the trail. I'm not. Yeah, don't wear your best shoes on this one. You may have a really good view up here on this little unsteady bridge that feels like it's going to break at any moment. It will get your heart pumping too. But anyway, it's still very pretty. If you liked what you've seen so far, please hit that subscribe button and the notification button. It really helps our channel out. And give us a thumbs up and stay to the end. You might just like the end of this one. Okay, that that was not the wet area. Now we're at the wet area. And it gets worse, I think.
We got a tunnel somewhere.
I think it gets worse up here around the corner. Is this the Mountain Laurel Tunnel?
Yes, sir. And then it's supposed to be wet.
Then it's supposed to get wet?
Yes.
Well, what was that we just came?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Apparently, you ain't got there yet. Oh, baby.
Well,
Look at this mushroom.
oh my goodness. He's pretty. I don't know if that's eatable though.
What?
I don't know if that one's eatable.
No.
Maybe somebody could tell us if it was or not.
That's fucked up.
No, this is not a horror movie. That is mountain laurel. How in the world is it coming out of that big old... I guess it's a tree and mountain laurel's growing out of the tree. Looks like a monster with a mouth right there. And this tree here, it's just got mushrooms growing up the side of it. But the tree itself is kind of missing the ground. There's like 2 roots that jump up there. Amazing. So on this side it's not mountain laurel, it's actually a tree. Crazy. Okay, after we come around the bend here, the creek's going in the opposite direction now. So they change. It must be 2 different creeks.
Must be.
I don't know. We have found the Keebler's Distribution Center right here. Yeah, I'm starting to don't believe everything you read in books. This is not a 3. Moore Creek, Moore Falls was a lot easier trail than this. A maintained trail, yeah. This one right here, it just looks like it's maintained by Mother Nature. And she's not doing a good job. I think she's trying to keep people out. I might have made Mother Nature mad. Don't know. According to the book and everything, this was only a 0.55 miles of a trail. A little over half a mile. It was a rough half a mile for sure. Due to it not being maintained regularly and also the slippery, muddy, and hard terrain, we're giving this one an old folks rating of a 9 out of 10. It was pretty rough.
We made it!
Laurel Falls. Is it Laurel Falls?
It's Laurel
All
Falls.
right. I didn't know where we're at. It's beautiful.
It is.
Gotta check it out.
Tricky, but yeah, check it out.
This is not a 3 for old folks. Just letting you know.
I'm sorry.
Earlier, David said that you did need to wear your good shoes, but apparently you need to wear a pair of shoes that will last.
Yeah.
Well, fortunately, we're on our way home, and I can buy a new pair of shoes.
You sure that's not Thunder River? Yeah. It was all blue skies when we started.
Boy, we got out there just in time.
I'm telling you.
Don't tell me if God's not looking after us. I wouldn't want to be walking out there and get hit in the head.
Even through hell or high water, we are still loving the real world. Well, we may take off a week next week because I have to go back to work. But we'll be back the week after, so keep following us. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.